Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you want to change your card or switch to PayPal on Uber Eats, let me show you how in under a minute. First, open the Uber Eats app. Now tap on the account icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap Wallet from the list of options. Here you will see all your current payment methods. This is my brand new account, so I don't have any methods listed right now. To add a new method, tap Add Payment Method. Here you can choose card, PayPal or even UPI in some of the regions. To remove one, tap on the old method and select Remove. Once added, your new method becomes the default and you are ready to order with it. And that's it. Hit like if this helped and don't forget to subscribe for more app tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.